I will continue that project, and on that day we have discussed about how to display the data in a data grid view control. Am I right? Data grid
Mhm.
view control లో data display చేసే వరకు అయిపోయింది. Data grid view control to display the data. Now listen here, all of you very carefully. Now listen here, all of you very carefully. When the data would be like this on that day, am I right? Like see,
Mhm. Mhm.
item name and item price, and quantity, total amount. Total amount. Now listen, suppose the item name we are taking as idli, and item price I'm taking as 50, and quantity I'm taking as 2. So what is the total amount?
100.
100. Correct. Now listen here, other task is dosa, and dosa would be like 70 rupees, and quantity would be okati, and so the price is 70. Finally, tea would be an item I want, and item price is 25, and I want to, so total is 50. What we need to do now, all of you, we need to perform the
Arithmetic
no.
multiple.
I need to perform the arithmetic operator, that is addition between 10, 100 plus 70 plus 50. Avuna?
Yes.
Now, listen, we'll just try to run this once. We'll just try to run this once. See, I'm trying to do. Correct?
Mhm.
Now, these all the things are, now these all the items are in dataset table. Dataset table dot rows of 0, rows of 1, rows of 2. Avunamma?
Mhm.
Like this only we have added, right? These all the things are dataset tables. Am I right?
Mhm.
Now, whenever you are taking row index, dataset table of 0 dot rows of 0. Avuna?
Mhm.
Rows of 1, rows of 2. Avuna? Now, whenever you are seeing the column wise, column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3. Avuna?
Mhm.
How to get this 150 in the sense, dataset to take ds dot dataset dot tables of, in the dataset we have a table that is tables of
1.
0. Under the tables of 0, I have a first row, that is row of 1, and coming to the column it is third column. Avuna?
Yeah.
How to get this one, and one more 150, tell me all of you.
Dataset of 0
Mm-hmm.
to index 2,
Rows
column
of
number
index
4.
2,
Yeah.
then
Column
to get the
number
column,
dot column number 4 dataset.
column number 4 Adi.
1, 2, 3.
Adi column number 4 amma.
Uh-huh.
Always index starts with 0 అని చెప్పాను.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. 3, 3.
3, right?
1, 2. Yeah.
Now listen here, all of you very carefully. What is my final requirement in this project is, whenever the user is clicking on this button, whenever the user is clicking on this button, I need to perform the total amount. Okay. See,
కావాలండి ఒకటండి
how is it? We did some mistake. Yeah. We need to take one more button here to perform the total bill. Am I right?
Mhm.
Clear all of you? Total bill is so. Whenever after entering all these things, if you by clicking on this button, we need to display total bill. Now first can I take in sum is equal to 0? అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? In sum is equal to 0. After that, listen here very carefully. I have a predefined method to know the list of records that are available in a table, that is ds dot tables of 0 dot rows dot count. ఇప్పుడు నాకు రోస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయమ్మా? అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హౌ మెనీ రోస్ ఆర్ దేర్? 3 rows, data rows 1 2 3. That means index wise it is 0 and 0 1 2 3 అవునా? Now we have a variable that is sum, right? Sum is equal to sum plus data set లో నాకు టేబుల్ ఉంది ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of I of which index it is per column? 3.
3.
అవునా? 0 1 2 3 అవునా? First time what is the value of I, all of you?
0.
0. So ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of 0 of 3. Rows of 0 of 3. That is 100. Avuna? Clear? Why it is giving error in the sense, must and should we need whatever the data that is coming from the data set table, we need to convert into integer. That is possible with the help of converter 232 of this value. Avuna? Then that would be the data set data would be treated like
String.
integer value plus integer would be performed. Is possible to perform addition. Clear? Integer addition would be possible. That is the reason we are converting that into integer format. That is ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of I of 3. Okay, some issue is there again. We'll try to check it. Is it invalid expression object under ds dot tables of 0, right? All of you.
Yeah.
Now listen. Till now it is clear, all of you. Now listen here, all of you again. Whenever the loop is repeating, ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of 1 of 3. Rows of 1 of 3 ఏంటమ్మా ఇక్కడ? 70. Again loop is repeating ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of 2 of 3. What is the rows of 2 of 3?
2 of 350.
Very good. See, that is the reason. So the values, all the things like 170 plus 50 addition would be finally passed to sum. Now we are displaying the sum value here. Message box dot show total sum is the sum value we are displaying here as sum. Okay, now listen all of you here very carefully. So I'm just trying to add some items here. Dosa, I want dosa is 1 and total amount is 75, and again 75 I'm adding here. Again idli, and idli is I want 2, and I want the total amount that is 100 is added, and again coffee, and I want only 1 coffee. See, what is the total bill you are expecting? 175 plus 45, 180 plus 40 is 220, right? See, వచ్చిందా? Whenever the user is a valid user, he only can able to perform the billing, right? మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేసామా, ఫామ్ 1 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిన తర్వాత యూజర్ వ్యాలిడ్ యూజరా కాదా అని చెక్ చేసాం అంతే, అవునా? Now what is my requirement is, ఒకవేళ యూజర్ వ్యాలిడ్ అయితే the valid user only can need to perform the billing operation. ఎవరు పడితే వాళ్ళు బిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ చేయలేరు కదా. అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear all of you? Now see all of you very carefully. Whenever the user is a valid user, he can able to perform the billing. ఈ పేజ్ నుంచి బిల్లింగ్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? We need to create the object for billing page, and we need to show the form of the billing. We have discussed all these things very clearly at the time of Windows controls explanation, right? See, we సాయి ఒకవేళ యూజర్ వ్యాలిడ్ అయితే ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, బిల్ ఫామ్ ని ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం, అవునా? వచ్చిందా? ఒకవేళ యూజర్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ యూజర్ అయితే సాయి అండ్ మనోజ్ అని ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, యూజర్ ఇస్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ యూజర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటాబేస్, ఇన్వాలిడ్ అని చూపించాం. Now listen, one more issue of this here is, సాయి అండ్ సాయి బిల్లింగ్ పేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నాకు లాగిన్ పేజ్ చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? So whenever you are in a form 1, the form 1 is a present page, right? Present page can be noted like, can be accessed with the help of this. The present page we are hiding with the help of this dot hide method. We are hiding the present page and we are showing the bill page. See, సాయి అండ్ సాయి, see, ఇప్పుడు నాకు హైడ్ అయిపోయింది కదా, కనిపించట్లేదు కదా, ఓన్లీ 1 ఫామే రన్ అవుతుంది, అవునమ్మా? hide the present page and we can able to show the other page. Okay, na? What I can do is, I'll share this code to all of you and search or manage members. Am I right? See, in the occupation and the marital status are both a drop down list. Am I right? In the occupation, we have the list of occupations like doctor, professor, doctor, engineer, teacher, like that. In the marital status, we have married or unmarried. If you want married doctor, then occupation is a doctor, marital status is married. Must and should, we need to take the and operator. We are checking the condition is married doctor, right? So whenever you are taking this and whenever you are clicking on a search, many married doctors would be there in the society, right? Those all the people will going to be displayed in the drop down list. I want only doctor. Then occupation is doctor. I don't want to depend anything on marital status. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? So those doctor details we need to display here. And now we are here searching the details, right? And before searching, we need to need to register the people, right? Whether doctor, engineer, or something. So to register those people, we have the registration tab. In the registration tab, we need to ask the user to enter the name, enter date of birth, enter occupation, enter the marital status, enter the health status, salary, and number of children. Okay, so these all the details will enter in the new registration. After clicking on insert button in the new registration, the details will going to store into the database. What all the details you entered in the new registration page, those details you need to search in this search and manage members page. Clear? ఇది అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఓకే, ఇన్సర్ట్ కోసమని న్యూ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫామ్ వాడతాము అండ్ సర్చ్ ఆర్ మేనేజ్ మెంబర్స్ కోసం ఎందుకు వాడతాము అంటే వీఆర్ సర్చింగ్ ద యూజర్స్ based on the occupation and marital status. First ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేయండి so that I will give you the other task tomorrow. Okay, task is clear all of you. You people need to perform only two operations. One is search and other is insert. Insert in the sense inserting the users, search in the sense based on the criteria, that is married doctors, unmarried doctors, only engineers, only doctors, other than marital status. Like this, you people need to search the data and search it result you people need to display in the data grid view control. Simple. Only select the start from table name where marital status is equal to combo box 2 dot text or else combo box 2 dot selected item and occupation is equal to this one. అర్థమైందా? ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలంటే ఒక ఇన్సర్ట్ ఒక సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి అంతే. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, కంప్లీట్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో దట్ విల్ సీ టుమారో అదర్ టాపిక్. ఓకే,
యా మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి చూసి పంపరా?
అది లేదు నాన్న, యాక్చువల్గా ఇంకా చెక్ చేయాలి బేసికలీ. ఐ మీన్